Target Trading Academy.
Good afternoon, everybody. Preston Vogl here with today's Micros Market Recap at Target Trading Academy. It is Monday, August 1st, just at the New York close. Let's get right into it with micro oil. Now, we opened well below the close in oil, and we just had sellers put the hammer down, and they just kept refusing to let this thing go back up. You can see that line that we had drawn. This was also given to our students on top of our HVAs, just part of the methodology. Just once, twice, 3 times, 4 times. It just could not make any real headway above that area. 5, 6, 7. So huge sellers there in that area. So we are net down for the day, to say the least, especially when we opened way gap down in that market. Now, gold here opened well above its range and close from yesterday, and it just shot straight down to it, ignoring that HVA level, and then it just bounced between the high for the most part of the day and that low that it created. You can just see it fought the areas, made some new lows, but not really any real progress, but ultimately closing net positive on the day. Now our equities, they opened inside the range from Friday, and they had a good run up, some retracement back down, but you'll see that here shortly. Some news announcements that had also come out. So we opened inside of the range, had some initial selling, and just good overall market auction process. Not a ton of participation. A lot of it was waiting for that news to come out. 9:45, 10. You see the large spikes there. They just drove it up, and then that's where the excitement begins. Got selling, and then you got that support and resistance that is starting to develop there, and then they make those runs up, hitting that line and failing to take it really any higher. Support, resistance, all from areas that were marked the night before. So this was today, this is Monday, that means yesterday, Sunday afternoon, these were given to the students or available for them to put onto their charts for last night, this morning, and today's trading session. Ultimately, though, where we are ending up in the ES is net down as we had closed well above this. Not terribly far, but net down day, that's okay. Now, Nasdaq is pretty close to its close at the moment from Friday, but a lot more expansion into the white space. You can see it has really good response around those HVAs too, especially as the day developed. Pretty flat at the opening, and then you did have some buying, and some pretty much aggressive buying. I would say more so in the Nasdaq at the start. They're definitely leading the way there. And then they see the news just coming, and they made some new highs, and then you're hitting these HVAs. And if you're in the rooms, you know the methodology based around them. They did make new highs, and it looked like they might want it to take it any more higher, but sellers stepped in, faked out all those buyers, and they just drove it back down here. You can see the response around those HVAs again, holding tremendously well for those entries based off the methodology. Again, you see them over here. Boom, monster winners. So closing, I would say at or just above Friday's close. So slightly net positive, if just not equal to what we did on Friday. If you're interested in seeing the trades submitted by students to us for us to review based off of our methodology, check out Pat's win-loss break-even videos. If you're interested in finding out how you can get these levels onto your charts the evening before the next day's trading session, or just how to learn to trade futures in general with our methodology here, feel free to reach out to us. You can find our page on Facebook or go to our website. We have a new one now at targettrading.co and get in touch with a representative there. Once you do, they'll be able to take you into the rooms and show you what we do on the daily, and you'll be able to see for yourself why we are the #1 trading education company in the world. We look forward to seeing you there.